Hey there, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in this recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make a tasty fig smoothie. I love smoothies in general because you know what, you're on the go, you're busy, and this time of year, it definitely gets busier. What better way to enjoy a tasty, healthy snack than this smoothie? Let me show you how to make it. Okay, so to make this smoothie, we're gonna start off with some yogurt. I'm gonna add in a little bit of vanilla extract. I'm gonna add in our fresh figs. I'm gonna add in some honey. I'm gonna add in some soy milk. And just a little crushed ice. Now I'm just gonna blend it. It looks pretty good. And now it's ready to enjoy. I'm gonna have mine in a lovely Wonder Woman mug because I love me some Wonder Woman. And I love me some figs. Big shout out to the California Fig Board for sending me all these tasty figs. So many recipes, and this smoothie is just one of the amazing ones that I got to make. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below, give me a suggestion. And hey, you know what? If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Now get out of here.